The scavenger hunt. It's the afternoon time and John has decided to do his geometry homework. He begins to read his assignment and to his surprise, it is a scavenger hunt. He must find 5 items in his house that fit the description of the clues and give the name of what they are describing. John thinks to himself, this could be fun. As John begins to read the first clue, it says, I am a convex polygon, both equilateral and equiangular. I know what that's describing, a regular polygon. John said to himself. That's not hard to find. Looking around, John spots the floor. That's it, the tile floor. It's made of squares, and squares are regular polygons. John began to read the next clue. I am a figure created from multiple shapes. That's easy, commented John as he walked over to the kitchen and looked at the picture his sister had drawn. It's a composite figure, and this one is made of triangle and a square. The third clue read, I am a figure that cannot be made from any combinations of polygons. Well, that's the opposite of a composite figure. What was that called again? Ah, yes, an irregular figure. I remember what those look like, he said as he walked over to the picture of the Great Lakes. He then continues to the fourth clue. I am a tiled pattern formed by repeating figures to fill a plane without gaps or overlaps. That one is in the tip of my tongue. Tessellation. That's it, John says to himself. I remember something that could fit that. John rushes to his baby brother's room, which has seahorse wallpaper. That's a tessellation if I ever saw one. John begins to read the final clue. I am a polygon such that a point on at least one of my diagonals lies outside me. Wow, that one is a little harder. I think it may be a concave polygon. But where would I find one of those? John thinks for a few minutes, but decides he doesn't know of any concave polygons. He then goes into the living room, and upon entering, he sees it. The glass part of the door, that shape in the middle. It's concave. That's perfect. And with that, John finished his homework and relaxed the rest of the afternoon. The end.